Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another panty haul. So for today's video guys, I have a new panty chart. Panty haul tayo today all the way from Shopee. From Shopee siya guys. Oops! Okay, from Shopee siya guys. Ayan, so maganda to siya. I am very excited because one of my friends chose this. Okay, I don't know if I can napaka-revealing nito guys. Okay, let's open. I don't know if I can this one. Ay, oh my god. Okay, this one guys, isa lang ni siya guys. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and of course comment below so I will read your comments guys. So isa lang ni siya guys. Ayan, kulay pa lang hot na. Okay, so let's open this. I bought this in Shopee at saka hala, this is large. Ayan, paano ba to? I don't know paano to suot. Okay, ganito siya guys. Okay, kita ko sa inyo ng maayos. This is large, ganito siya. Oh, ito yung naharap, ganito. Okay, hindi ko alam kung where is the front. This one is the back. Okay, it's like this. Okay, nakita nyo siya guys. Ganito talaga siya, as in maganda yung kanyang quality guys, maganda, tingnan mo, pero hindi, I am not sure if oh my god, I can do this. Natatawa ako kasi ganito siya guys. This is cow color. Okay, black and white, cow color ang nito. Oh, ganito siya guys isuot. It should be like this. Ayan, so hindi ko alam saan ginkaw na din ng ako ang damit. Okay, so ganito siya guys. Ayan, sunning white. Okay, it's okay. So this is large. Ayan, tanggalin na natin ta. Made in China, of course. Oh, made in China. Ayan, so let's this. Nakita nyo naman, hindi ko alam. Okay, there is a small dito, yung dito sa line area mismo sa baba. There is double naman siya, tanawa siya guys, double siya. Ayan, and then of course guys, so hindi ko alam talaga kung carry ko to, but I will try my best to wear this, ha. And kita nyo naman, kita ang lahat. Ganito lang siya, large size. Kahit ako nalilito ako guys how to wear this. I feel like curious. Okay, oh, like this. Okay, so kita nyo, ganito siya. So are you guys ready and excited to wear me to wear this? Wala, good luck to me. Okay, so let's go, and I'm so excited. Okay, sige, let's try this guys. So guys, ito siya guys. Nakita nyo naman, tatlong screen lang dito sa kabila. Ayan, yung kalahati, wala siyang straight. Ganito ang kalahati, tapos ganito naman ang kalahati. Okay, so ganito siya guys. Oh my gosh, hindi ko alam kung okay. Ayan, ganyan siya. hindi ko ma-sure talaga. Ganyan lang siya guys, ganyan. So sa likod naman guys, ganito siya. Ayan, dito mas prefer ko pa siya dito na meron siyang ganyan. Okay, yung sa kabila talaga is wala talaga guys. Ayan, super sexy niya talaga guys. Okay, so ganyan siya, wapak, ganun. Hindi ko alam, but anyways, it's nice naman. For me, I can rate this as maybe 9 siya. Napaka-sexy niya. Yan naman, kalahati lang. Okay, ganyan siya guys. Ayan, anyway guys, I order more like this and very sexy. Okay, but I will try my best guys na mapakita ko sa inyo na mas maganda. Kasi ito pa lang, pak, mura na siya. Hindi ko kakayanin. But anyway, I try my best to wear this. Ayan, pak, ganun. Hindi na ako makagalaw kasi nga kalahati lang yung meron. But anyway, I can say that this is good quality and napaka-sexy niya, especially if you're going outside and you will wear this. Ayan, maganda siya guys. thank you guys for your love and support. Ayan. Thank you for watching.